What if I tell you that a simple LED diode can work like a light sensor, just like an LDR? No IC, no complex circuit, only an LED, one MOSFET, and one resistor. Let me show you how this amazing and smart circuit works. Components introduction. For this project, we need very few components. One LED diode, any color. One N-channel MOSFET like Z44N or any similar MOSFET. One 10 mega ohm resistor, 1/4 watt, and that's it. Nothing else. How an LED works as a sensor. First, let's understand how an LED can work as a sensor. This is a simple LED diode. Every LED has two pins. One is the anode, the positive pin. The other is the cathode, the negative pin. When we connect the LED in forward direction, it glows normally. But now comes the interesting part. When we use the LED in reverse mode, it does not glow. Instead, its internal resistance changes according to light intensity. Let's test this with a multimeter. As you can see on the multimeter screen, when I move the light closer to the LED, the resistance decreases. When I move the light away, the resistance increases. So in this way, a simple LED diode behaves like a light-dependent resistor, and we can use it as a light sensor. Circuit connections. Now let's build the circuit. Take an N-channel MOSFET. Connect the LED cathode pin to the MOSFET gate pin. Connect the LED anode pin to the MOSFET source pin. We take the output from the MOSFET drain pin. In my case, I am using a 12-volt LED panel, but you can also connect a relay, a bulb, or any other DC load. Now, connect the negative side of the LED panel to the MOSFET drain pin. Connect the positive side of the LED panel directly to the battery positive. Next, take a 10 mega ohm resistor. Connect one side to the MOSFET source pin. Connect the other side to the battery positive. Finally, connect the battery negative to the MOSFET source pin. And our circuit is complete. Circuit working. Now let's understand how this circuit works. When light falls directly on the LED sensor, the LED's resistance decreases. This changes the gate voltage of the MOSFET, and the MOSFET turns off. As a result, the LED panel turns off automatically. When the light moves away from the LED sensor, the resistance increases. The MOSFET turns on, and the LED panel turns on automatically. As you can see, the circuit is working perfectly and smoothly without any IC or complex components. This circuit can be used for automatic light control, day and night switch, smart lighting projects, DIY electronics experiments, learning sensor basics without using LDR. If you like simple and smart electronics projects like this, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing DIY circuits. Thank you for watching. See you in the next project.